My name is Esmeralda Garcia Orozco. I am in the Master's of Science in Biopharmaceutical Process Engineering at the Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing. So every day I go into the small-scale cell culture lab to make sure that my cells are doing fine and also to give it the same feeding regimen. So I'm going to go set that up right now. One of the experiments that we had the opportunity to work on for our upstream unit operations course was to develop a scaled-down model of our 2,000-liter single-use bioreactor. And so we worked on our 2-liter bioreactors on the benchtop level, and we were trying to optimize the aeration rate. We were looking at the KLA to see which system was the best to scale down from our 2,000-liter bioreactor. The professors here are experts in their field. They've spent a lot of time in industry and have a lot of knowledge, and I'm very lucky to have them teaching me because they have such a breadth of knowledge. So now I'm going to perform protein aggregate analysis by size exclusion chromatography using Thermo Fisher Scientific's Vanquish UHPLC instrument. I'm going to check the IgG purity in my sample using capillary electrophoresis. I decided to join this program because the Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing offers cutting-edge technology and specialized courses in the biomanufacturing space, and I am committed to creating a career in this space to help treat people with rare diseases and illnesses.